Hello everyone, it's Jason here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today we are going over our Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This is an awesome little boat for your area lakes, your inland fishing, or just cruising around having a good time. A couple cool things that I like how we did on this boat is the bow filler pad. Sit out, have a snack, get a suntan, cooler with padding. Making our way back here to the helm. We dialed this boat in with the Simrad touchscreen GPS in fish finder. We do have the flip-flop seat on this with JL audio stereo system. It's a very loaded 15-foot boat, as well as the fishing package. And last but not least, Mercury 4-stroke 60 horsepower command thrust motor. So if you have any questions or want to know a little bit more about our Boston Whalers, my name's Jason here at MarineMax. Give us a call. Thank you.